Hi again, JB here from Info Hut with another video guide on trying to identify and fixing the problem with your iPhone 12 having the black screen of death, and it's pretty much unresponsive. You've put it on charge, nothing's coming on, and it is a very common problem with the iPhone 12, iPhone 11, iPhone XS, but we're seeing it more and more with the newer models. And let's go through the process of elimination and let's see what we can do to try and resolve the problem. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we need to do what we call a soft, some people call it hard reset, I'll call it a soft reset, and that's to try and boot your phone back up. It's a quite simple process. What we'll do is we will press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then we're going to hold in the power button on the side. It's really simple. Try it a few times. Some people don't get it right the first time, so keep trying till you get it right. So volume up, volume down, and hold down the power button, and you should get an Apple logo. There we go. We've got the Apple logo, so therefore the phone is booting up and we should be good to go. Now, if it doesn't do that, what I want you to do is, the next step is to put your phone on charge for about 10 to 20 minutes and then do the same thing. So do the volume up, volume down, and then hold down the power button and hopefully it turns on. Now, if it does that, the reason being is so bizarre, not even Apple can answer the question, but it is happening a lot. So the good news is that when people have had that issue occur, it doesn't really pop up that much. But why it does occur, your guess is as good as mine. So I do know the great thing is that most of the time the fix does work. And as an important thing, just in case there's something else that's not wrong with your phone, I highly recommend that what you do is you back up your phone, plug it into iTunes, because it could also be a symptom of your phone is on its way to possibly, you know, having a more of a serious type failure. So you want to save your data. Now, if that doesn't work, what you need to do is then look at your other options. The other options are contacting Apple, seeing if it is covered under warranty or even possibly Apple Care, or then even looking at a third-party repairer. But a lot of people do assume, especially in Australia here, that their phone is not covered, and sometimes Apple can help. It all comes down to what type of coverage you have. So I really stress that it's worth checking out and reaching out to Apple if none of those fixes work. Once again, hope this does help. It's a short video, and if you've got any questions, drop a comment below. And of course, I'll be bringing you more videos in the future. Please like, please subscribe. Any questions, once again, drop a comment below. Thank you.